Welcome to my craft room. It's Marjorie Snyder. I'd like to show you a folio that I've made using the Book Vagabonds tutorial, and I'll link that below, and papers by ARTymaze. There is her lavender papers, which make up the folio, and then her sunflower ephemera kit, which is the inside. This is for a swap through Junkjournals Canada. And I wasn't quite sure what to put in my folio till my partner said she likes sunflowers, and that gave me an amazing reason to actually go and purchase ARTymaze amazing kit. So it's held together. It's quite thick. It's held together by a ribbon, and in the front pocket I have the flags, and I've taken all of the ephemera and I've put it on cardstock so that she can make herself a sunflower journal if she wants. And I've included one of these like a Visa card plastic folder that she can use, and the tabs that come with the kit. Then in this front pocket I've also included the pockets. This folder really does hold quite a bit. It's quite amazing actually, and was fun to make. So all of these pockets that come with the sunflower ephemera kit. Then there's quite a nice pocket there. It flips open, and all of the tags, journaling cards, have been sewn around and are backed on a cardstock and with tea-dyed paper. I did a bit of collaging here again with the kit. The Book Vandals actual tutorial does not have this pocket in. I added it, and because I was adding wear on the folio, I added some lace here to help protect it. On this side, I think this was probably meant to be glued together, but I thought it made a nice journaling little book. And one of these seed pockets. I'm going to have to make myself a sunflower journal. Another bit of collage, and in the side pocket, and again I've added fabric to strengthen that hinge, and then it opens up. More of the ephemera from the ARTymaze Junk Journal. ARTymaze Sunflower Kit. The butterflies from the kit, I've put them on cardstock as well. I added a belly band where I collaged from the bits and pieces left over from the kit. I've sewn around everything. More of the tags, and again they're all with the tea-dyed paper. I love these big tickets. I didn't cut these out because I didn't know if the woman who's getting the swap would like to make it into a belly band. I thought it would make a lovely belly band. The actual tutorial comes with these two pockets, and on the other side we have another belly band with more of the tags. I think about 3 of the cards I actually did some things to them to make them a little bit more personal. Added some lace on the side here, some stamping. I didn't want to I really wanted to give her a folio with the potential for her to make her own book. Bit of lace, some paper, and 2 big tags. Again, when the folio itself would not have had these, nor would they have had the belly bands. You opened it up, but it did have this. And then on the back page, again, more of the ARTymaze purple paper. I just added a little stamp, a sticker there. These are the, in the kit, these are probably to go in the center of a journal signature. I did a bit of collaging there. These are the tickets. An envelope that she can utilize. And another one of those center folds. And that's everything. So this is the folio again. And I added a lace to the spine again to strengthen it. I had a great deal of fun of making this. Again, this is the Book Vandals folio tutorial. Very easy to follow. ARTymaze paper. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.